Hello students, welcome back to our online classes for general knowledge. I, Miss Jaya, your general knowledge teacher. Students, today we are going to study page number 27, Indian City Tour. Page number 28, Sports Know-how, and page number 29, Holy Walks of our general knowledge book. So, let's get started. First of all, we will begin page number 27, and the topic is Indian City Tour. So, let us start this with an introduction. Tourism in India is important for the country's economy and is growing rapidly. Different cities have their different histories and have its historical importance. So students, let us have an overview of certain cities. So student, as you can see, there is a picture of the city Rishikesh. So student, as you can see how beautiful this city is. So most of the people visit here, and this city is also famous by the name Yoga Capital of the World. Now, our next picture is of the city Shillong, which was the capital of Assam till 1972, and later it became the capital of Meghalaya. There is one more picture of the city named Jodhpur. It is a very beautiful city. Most of the tourists visit here, and it is very famous by the name Sun City of India. Now, next you can see there is a picture of Jolly Grant Airport, and you can see the view of the city Dehradun. Dehradun is a city which is served by the Jolly Grant Airport, and it is very beautiful tourist place. Now, after the overview of some cities, let us complete our exercise that is given in our book. So, let us begin. Read the clues given below and name the cities. So, number 1 is, if you want to do a course in mountain climbing, at the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. Which city should you visit? And your answer is Darjeeling. 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 So student, this is the city which is very famous for the course of mountain climbing. Second one is, which Indian city is served by the Jolly Grant Airport? I have already shown you the pic of the airport and the name of the city. Can you guess, students? Yeah, the name of the city is Dehradun. Third one is, according to legend, which city is named after the demon Mahishasur, who was killed by the goddess Chamundeshwari? And your answer is Mysore. Fourth one, which Indian city was ruled by the royal family of Sindhis until India's independence in 1947? And your answer is Gwalior. Fifth one, a fast growing Indian city known for its diamond business. And your answer is Surat. Student, this city is well known for the diamond business. Sixth one, which holy city of India is called the yoga capital of the world? And your answer is Rishikesh. 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 Seventh, if you were visiting the Vidhan Soda, Cubbon Park and Ulsar Lake, in which of city of India would you be in? And your answer is Bengaluru. Eighth one, this city was once the base of the Maratha Empire. Today, it is known for many educational institutes located there. And your answer is Pune. Next one, it is also called the Sun City of India. It was founded by Rao Jodha and was earlier called Marwar. And your answer is Jodhpur. Jodhpur. The last question of this chapter. This city was the capital of Assam till 1972. Later, it became the capital of Meghalaya. And your answer is Shillong. Shillong. So students, we have completed this page. So let us continue with page number 28. And the topic of this is sports know-how. On this page, we are having some MCQs related to sports. So let us read these MCQs and try to solve it. Answer the following questions by choosing the correct option. The very first MCQ is: Ever Onward is the motto of which international game? And your options are Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Olympics. So student, Ever Onward is the motto of which international game? And your answer for this is Asian Games. Second one is, how many players are there in a Kabaddi team? I hope you might all have played Kabaddi in your childhood. So, options are 10, 6, 7. So student, can you guess how many members, how many players are there in Kabaddi team? Yes, your answer is 7. There are 7 players in a Kabaddi team. Third one, with which sport is the club Mohun Bagan associated? And your options are football, horse racing, cricket. And your correct answer is football. Football is the sport with which club Mohun Bagan is associated. Next one. In tennis, which V word means hitting the ball before it bounces on the ground? What does V stand for? Yes, your options are velocity, volley, volley. And the correct answer is option B, that is volley. V stands for volley. Fifth one, which chess piece can only move diagonally? Options are bishop, rook, knight. And your correct answer is option number A, that is bishop. So, bishop is the chess piece which can move only diagonally. Sixth one, cue ball, break shot and pool table are terms associated with which sport? And your options are billiards, golf, cricket. And your correct answer is billiards. Next one. In which Olympic event are the normal hill and large hill events? And your options are diving, sky jumping, shooting. And your correct answer is sky jumping. Next one. What is the color of the innermost zone in an archery target? And your options are blue, red or yellow. Now what is the color of innermost zone? Yes, your correct answer is yellow. Next one. Badminton is the national game of which of the following country? Options are India, Russia, Malaysia. So, which country is having the national game badminton? Yes, your correct answer is Malaysia. Last one is, which term in cricket describes a ball that is aimed to pitch around the batsman's feet? And your options are googly, yorker, full toss. So which term? Yes, your answer is yorker. So with this, we end up this heading and you towards page number 29. And our topic is Holy Walk. Now students, now I am going to show you various holy places pictures. Now let's see. Yes, the very first image that you can see is the image of the Dilwara temple. Student, these are some of the pictures that we have collected for the holy places. Yes, the very first is Dilwara temple. Next image is of Haji Ali Dargah. These are the holy places which most of the people visited. Next, you can see the beautiful image of Ramtek Monastery. Next holy place that you can see is the image of Hemkund Sahib. Students, firstly I am showing you the collection of the picture. After that, when we do the exercise of our book, then you will see some characteristics related to these holy places. Yes, above you can see the image of Bom Jesus Basilica. This is also one of the holy place. Next you can see the picture of the very famous temple, that is Somnath temple. Next, here is the image of the Har Ki Pauri. This is also very famous holy place. Next, you can see the picture of the Shore temple. So students, now we will do the exercises that are given on page number 29 in our general knowledge book. So let us do it. Yes, identify the various holy places. The very first is located near Mount Abu in Rajasthan. It is one of the finest Jain temples. And your answer is Dilwara temple. So student, the very first image that I have shown you earlier, that was the image of the Dilwara temple. And the Dilwara temple is located near the Mount Abu, which is in Rajasthan, and it is one of the finest Jain temple. Second one is, it is a mosque and dargah tomb in South Mumbai. The tomb is built in honor of a wealthy Muslim merchant who became a sant? And your answer is Haji Ali Dargah. As I have earlier shown you the image of Haji Ali Dargah. That is a mosque and dargah which is in South Mumbai. And this dargah is built in honor of a wealthy Muslim merchant who became a sant. Third one is, it is a Buddhist monastery near Gangtok in Sikkim. And your answer is Rumtek Monastery. I have shown you the image of Rumtek Monastery. It is a Buddhist monastery which is near Gangtok in Sikkim. Fourth one is, it is a Sikh place of worship in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. And your answer is Hemkund Sahib. I have shown you fourth image of Hemkund Sahib. That is the Sikh place of worship which is in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Fifth one is, it is Goa's most famous church. It is also called the Tomb of Sant Francis Xavier. And your answer is Bom Jesus Basilica. I have shown the image of Bom Jesus Basilica, which is a most famous Goa church. And it is also called the Tomb of Saint Francis Xavier as well. Sixth one is, this temple has been destroyed and built several times. It is located on the western coast of Gujarat. And your answer is Somnath Temple. Yes, Somnath Temple, it is the temple which was destroyed many times and it was built again and again. Several times it was built and it is located on the western coast of Gujarat. Next is, it is the famous ghat on the banks of the Ganga in Haridwar. The ghat is always crowded with sant and devotees. And your answer is Har Ki Pauri. I have shown you the image of Har Ki Pauri. It is the very famous ghat on the river Ganga which is in Haridwar. And this ghat is always crowded with sant and devotees. Next one is, it is so named because it overlooks the shore of the Bay of Bengal. It is located in Mahabalipuram. Yes, the answer is Shore Temple. Yes, why the Shore Temple is named so? It is named so because it overlooks the shore of the Bay of Bengal. And it is located in Mahabalipuram. So student, that is all for this class. Today we have studied page number 27, page number 28 and page number 29. I hope all these chapters are very clear to all of you. So students, you have to complete these exercises in your books and please learn it well. So that is all for today class. Thank you dear student for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.